This building was built in 1920, which makes it right now at 106-year-old building. This used to be the view of the side that we are going to be doing the brick restoration on. This is what it looks like. See, we waited a long time to start this elevation. Now that we started it, now we have the rain. We didn't want to do nothing with it because of the cold weather. Now the cold weather is subsiding, and now we got the rainy season coming through. But we still have to truck along. We just can't slow down. Welcome back to the channel. My channel is called The Real One. I vlog about my investment properties and also my struggles, ups and downs with dealing with contractors and dealing with building issues that arise during the construction or renovation of my properties. And I help others renovate and develop their property. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much to the old subscribers. And thank you to the new subscribers. Please make sure to share this video, like this video, comment below if you will. Thank you so much for your support. So this side is pretty much almost done. What they need to finish on this side is the parapet on top to finish the edge of it. They need to finish that part of that. So that's all going. Alright. These are the guys doing the work. This is the new design. So the yellow brick that you see. The yellow brick was the new arch, and now it's going to be repeated all over this face right here. It's going to go all the way through. The arch is going to happen, and we're going to be having some tiles up there too. Yeah, a rainy day. They did make a quick walk out of this. This is pretty cool. You can see this is why you wear a hard hat. Because when they throw bricks like that on the ground, you don't want them to get you. Pretty cool. Break how far they come to the streets. It's okay, I'm good. I think I'm close. Okay, all right. Yeah. I'm with the owner's rep. Yeah. Yeah, I see it. It's going fast. Good job. Yeah, he told me. He said he's coming back tomorrow. The red bricks. Not gonna be tomorrow, red bricks?
No, tomorrow, I think Bill told me, he told me the bricks gonna be next week.
Next week? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Which day? Exactly.
Wednesday.
But we also see this inside.
Okay, for the tile. All right. Okay. The top, okay. No problem, huh? The owner, yeah. I saw the rendering. I saw the color photos with the tiles on top.
Yeah, the tiles.
We didn't get the tiles yet.
So, the tiles ready, but still wait for the break.
For the brakes, okay. All right. No problem.
Yeah, it's actually, my name is Paul.
Paul, real.
Real?
Real. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, well, okay.
Nice to meet you.
Same here. All right. So that's the face going on. So we start with this side, and this other side will be done, and then we'll go to the main front of the building. The work is ongoing right now. Better watch out for the cars. And it's a busy one today. All right, good deal. Rainy day. All right, the scaffolding is down. We're all good. And we're just waiting for some bricks to come in. The red brick, the yellow brick, and a tile. That should be coming next week. And the missing portion up there is just the other bricks and stone. So once we get the bringing stone, we'll be good to go. All right. That's the toilet people. I'm gonna take a toilet, service a toilet. This is how they service a toilet. It's amazing. The all kinds of stuff that you can get into when it comes to construction. That right there is another money-making business in construction. The Potter John, they call it. That's the Potter Party, and you have to rent that, lease that, and they come and service it for you, for your contractors, and somebody's making money off of that. That's amazing. You have a guy maintaining it. They have the water tank. They suck away the excrements and stuff like that, and they're good. How's it going, boss? How you doing? Very good? All right. Saying yes, sir? Yes, sir? Look at that. She's doing it with a smile, too. That's awesome. Here we go. So now they're taking out the bricks and it's gonna be rebuilt. That was used to strengthening the brick, the both thing you see, but now we're changing the window design, and that lintel right there is gone. So they are gonna be redoing that lintel. Let me get on this thing right here. That lintel needs to be rebuilt. Oh. No, I'm not going in there. You close. Thank you. So you do that every week or every month? You do it every week or every month? The servicing. Is that done every week or every month?
Every week.
Every week?
Yeah.
Awesome. It's a good business, huh?
Oh yeah. This our hot season, so
It is. Oh, okay, construction stuff.
get real busy.
Okay, spring and summer, right?
Yeah, spring, summer, all the way. Them 8 months be tough. From them in April, end of March to basically last week of October.
It's amazing. That kind of stuff you get into construction.
And you can
make
get
money.
Man, listen, that construction, and then ain't got nothing to do with them cats just working inside.
Yeah.
They working inside. That's all year round.
Wow.
Wherever they can fit that joint in.
That's it.
They there. Whatever they doing, whatever, it don't matter what they doing. Indoors, outdoors.
Wow.
They ready.
Excellent. All right. Have a good weekend now. Thank you. There you see. You heard him say it. Making money. That's the name of the game. So we're talking about the lintel over here, so you can see this lintel has to be rebuilt. Look at the ends over there, the bearing points. You can see the little warpage there and the bottom plate. Needs to be replaced. All right. Okay. I see it. Awesome. So this is the famous Chicago brick, and you can see they have, this is what they call the 3-wythe. So you have the knee wall, which is a skin, and then you have the structural part, which is 2-wythe, right there. Alrighty, look at that. That's it. Everything you need. You have the fresh water in there, and then you have the excrement on one side. Straight. They just came in to do the cleaning of it for the week. And then we're back next week again. Yeah, buddy. Look at that. They just do the temporary shoring right there. All right. Work is going. Ongoing. Excellent. Okay, we'll keep trucking. So they're not gonna be here today, but they'll be here next week. They were here yesterday doing that work yesterday. I didn't catch them yesterday, obviously, but all good. The work is ongoing. Look, this is one of the lintel piece that they took from there on the floor. That's one of the bad ones that will be replaced on the floor right here. There's a lintel piece right there. And this is our new brick that we're using for the trim, for the arch of the windows. Yeah. All good. They just uploaded the bricks. The brick shipment just came from this truck right here. I missed it. Bricks just came right there. Red bricks. How you doing? Not yet? Okay. It's okay. I'm going inside.
Hello.
Hello, how are you? Now they're doing the windows. That's the bricks. The red bricks came. How are you? All right. I'm with the owner's rep. Oh, sorry.
Nice to meet
Yeah,
you.
nice to meet you.
My name is Carol.
Carl, okay.
You're the owner?
I help represent them. It's
Oh.
the big group.
That's nice. That's
Yeah.
nice.
So I just come from time to time to look at what's going on.
Yeah,
on
yeah.
the job.
Yeah, today we got delivery.
You got
of
a brick.
bricks,
Yeah, I
so
thought it was
yeah.
coming midweek, but now you got it now.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
because
we
I
got
finished
it
the
right.
bill last week.
Yes.
So that's good.
Yes. Right now
Excellent.
we push forward, you know that. Yeah.
Full steam.
Yes.
All right. Good. That's good.
Yeah. Right now we're working with the windows on the side.
Yes, I see that.
Thank
And I
you.
see the little arch on top. Yeah.
Yeah.
I was last week. It was raining. They were taking the scaffold down when I came. Was that last week or 2 weeks ago? Last week, yeah. You guys were up there doing
Oh
this.
yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
With the scaffold.
Yeah, with the rain.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. All right. Okay.
Okay.
I'm just gonna walk around, take some video, and then 'cause
Yes.
I make report every month.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. So this are all the red bricks that we're gonna be using on this job for now. That's a template for the arch of the windows. What are you doing? Oh, look at this mess. Ew. All right. All right, they are blessing the music. I'm only a copywriter, so I'm going to stop right now. And basically what's happening right now is they're starting the window sill and constructing the trim using the stone sill as the base for the window. And the wood that you see him holding here is the wood that he's using to level to make sure that the building of the window is straight up from the base and all the way up. This frame has nothing to do with it. And he's explaining to me what they're doing. I just got copyrighted over there, so I will make the explanation. They're mixing the Same bag at the sands. There's that mixing the motor right there. So that is them doing the brickwork now. We got a supplies today for the red brick and the base brick. It's kind of hard over here and there. Three on that side. That'll be it. It's going. Alrighty.